new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2017 Jeep Renegade Altitude Edition SUV that is factory certified, which means your Jeep will be protected for years to come. This four-door Renegade is made for comfort and convenience. We have passive entry remote start package, power and heated door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, roof rack, liftgate, and rear backup camera. Inside we have comfortable and spacious cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, outside temperature display, telescoping steering wheel, push-to-start technology, and the LCD screen display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Jeep Renegade has less than 35,000 miles and comes with the Auto Check Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today, 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.